Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. Today I will tell you how our smart home product produce, and we will go to the workshop of KinCony smart home. Let's begin. We change the clothes and we go to the workshop, see the details. Okay, let's begin. We go to the workshop. Okay, this is our vending machine, and this is for the PCB solder, paste print, and this is SMT. We can go around, see the whole device, and SMT and the referral vending. Now let's look at the PCB board. From this one PCB board and how to become a product. This is the first step. The PCB is installed on the box. It will auto send to the solder print. You can see the board. The board is input and up, and the solder will automatic print on the PCB board. Then the PCB board will go to another place. This is the setting. This is settings are all configured for the print. When the print the solder on the PCB board, the board will go to this position. This is the board. This board is already have the solder. And the next step is go to the SMT machine. This SMT machine will automatically place all components on the PCB board. It's very quickly. All electronic device, all electronic components will go to automatic to place on the PCB board. It also can set the config setting on the screen, computer screen, and monitor, detect the every pin is installed and the vending. So it's very quickly. And when the PCB board is finished, place all the components. There will have two SMT machines. Some components by this machine and some components by this machine to install. So that is for small components, and this machine is for the big components. And also you can see the screen, and this is for menu emergency buttons. And when the machine is complete, you can see the PCB board in this way. At this position, the all PCB board have all the components have installed. You can see the chip, the register, and all ICs have installed, and we're ready to input to this referral vending. And this already have many different room of the temperature. The 100, about 200 and 250 degrees. So the different area have different temperature. The PCB board will go to this place and output at that way. After the vending, the PCB board is output from this place. This will need to check every point and every components whether have some problem, maybe have some circuit short. Then we can check it and repair for the welding. maybe have some problem. This will be have QC and check this all pins have good contact. Okay, this is for the SMT winding. And if we have some DIP package components, we will go to and check this in another workspace. This is the components by the DIP parts because this is the this big size DIP parts can't automatically winding by the machine. So we need to winding these components manually by people by the work. So you can see there are many PCB board. You can install all the components on the board. So after we install these all big components, we will also send to this PCB board to the winding machine. You can see this. This is the PCB board at last for the DIP solder winding machine. And go to in this place, this machine, and winding all components. This is the temperature, and when the board output, this is the last step. The last step is from the machine, and at last we need to winding for some components by manually and repair some winding program. When this step is finished, so you can see the complete PCB board. After this step, like this, you can see the manufacturing board, 32 manufacturing board. And this is the dimmer board, smart dimmer board. This is a chip. This is complete winding dimmer. And now the hardware or components have complete installed. At the last, we need to test for the software test. Download the program, download the firmware, and test the all functions whether work well. So we can see the last one. This is the dimmer board is under testing. Just like this 8-channel dimmer board. And this is for computer program to test and download the firmware firstly and test all the channel output whether work well for the remote, for the switch, for the S485 interface, and for the manual control, and by the PC software automatic control. So this is our software test. And after this testing, we will install the PCB board and the metal box and the package box. You can see the last one. When the package is installed complete, and we can put this box and into this colorful box, like this. This is for the final package, and install all the components on the package box. Okay, this is the whole progress of the relay controller and the smart product of the production. Thanks for watching.